Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Code Academy. In the series of Java coding interview questions, today let us go with one more new program, new coding interview question, that is when a character is given, like example A or P or some M like that. When a character is given, we want to know whether that character is vowel or consonant. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 characters we call them as vowels. Other than these 5 characters, remaining all are what? Consonants. Now, let us write this code. So we are going to write the code using Eclipse. Let me create a new class. Check alphabet. Check vowel or consonant. You can say vowel, consonant. Let me go with main method. The purpose of this program is write a program to check whether the given character is vowel or consonant. This is the task in this program. Now, in order to accept user input, that is, in order to accept a character from user, we are going to make use of scanner class. In order to use scanner class, we are going to import java.util.scanner. Now, in main method, create object of scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Connect to keyboard system.in. Then go with a message. Enter a character. We'll say character C equal to s dot next. And in order to read a character, we use the method character at 0. So s dot next is used to read a string value from keyboard. From that, we are pulling out the first index character. So this is the way to read a character in Java using scanner class. Now, after accepting the character, now we have to check whether it is vowel or consonant. Here I am going to make use of switch statement. Switch of C. Now check here. Case A. E. Then I. O. U. These are all vowels. So for all this, we'll go with a message. Given character is a vowel. Then to come out of switch, we use break. Then if it is not A, I, O, U, then we'll go with the message. Given character is a consonant. Right? Now, save this file and run this code. Right click and say run as Java application. Say it is asking for a character. We'll say A. It will say given character is vowel. If you run the code again, if you say something like Q, it will say given character is vowel. If you run the code again, if you say P, it will say the given character is consonant. Now, if you run the code and if I go with a symbol like 9, it will say given character is a consonant, which is wrong. So this code is logically wrong because 9 is, when we give the character 9, it is nowhere related to vowel and consonant. Vowel and consonant is only for alphabets. It is only for what? Alphabets. If I go with any other symbol, like example, if you say something like star symbol, there also it is going to say it is a consonant. So before we check whether it is vowel or consonant, whatever the character we are accepting from user, we have to check whether it is an alphabet or not. So how to check? We have to use this condition. If we are having a class called as character class, we are having a class character class with a static method is alphabetic and pass this C variable. So if this given character is alphabet, then this condition will be true. Now we check whether it is vowel or consonant only if this if condition is true, right? Now, if this if condition is false, if it is not alphabet, then we are going to display the message given character is not an alphabet, right? Now see, when we run this code, right click and say run as Java application. If I go with the symbol like 9, it will say it is not an alphabet. If you run the code again, if you go with any other symbol like dollar symbol, it will say it is not an alphabet. Now if I run the code and if I go with the symbol like capital A, it says, yeah, here else is missing, else is missing. Now if I run the code, if I go with a symbol like capital A, it will say given character is consonant, but capital A is a vowel, because here we are checking only for smaller case letters. So even we have to check for uppercase letters. So you can even write 5 cases where you can check for uppercase A, E, I, O, U. Instead of that, whatever the character we are reading from user, that you convert into lowercase and check it here. How to convert a string into lowercase? By calling a method to lowercase. So this to lowercase is a method of string class. To lowercase, it's a method of string class. Whatever the character we are accepting, it's going to convert into lowercase here. Now see, when we run this code, and if you see capital A, it's going to say given character is vowel, right? So that's about in this program. The program is to check whether the given character is vowel or consonant. So for that, we have first of all we have accepted a character from user, converted into lowercase, and we are checking whether it is alphabet or not. If it is alphabet only, we are checking whether it is vowel or consonant. Else we are displaying a message given character is not an alphabet. So when someone asks you this code, you have to write this complete code. Just don't write only this switch case. We have to check all the combinations here. Then only we are going to get full marks, right? Then only your code will be accepted. Then only your code will be treated as a good program here, right? These all things are very important when you are writing the programs, right? That's about in this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.